Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I have a Chevy Cruze in the shop today. Customer brought it in. They're complaining of the engine running rough. It clearly has a misfire. Upon inspection, if you guys pay attention right about here, you will see that little spark going on. I don't know how well the camera is going to pick it up, but you see right there, just like a little bit of flash. What's happening is the coil pack is cracked. It's grounding out on the valve cover, causing the misfire. So cylinder number 4 is having an issue. Let me see if I can get a little bit better angle here. But you guys can see right there, every time it misfires, there's a little spark of light that goes on there. That one right there caught it perfectly. So when you guys are doing stuff like this, it's always mindful to check your coil packs. So sometimes you run into these really weird scenarios.